Oggi prepareremo insieme questi cioccolatosissimi brownies che però hanno degli ingredienti particolari, la zucca e un po' di spezie che ci richiamano il Natale. So let's get started. To make these amazing brownies we need flour, butter, chocolate, eggs, pumpkin, sugar, yolk, cocoa powder, baking powder, cinnamon, ground cloves, nutmeg, and ginger. In a large bowl, combine flour, baking powder, vanillin, cocoa powder, and salt. Set aside. Melt butter and chocolate on low heat, stirring until smooth and melted. Set aside to cool. With an electric mixer, combine sugar and eggs and beat until very well combined. Add the flour mixture to the wet ingredients and mix until the batter is smooth. Set aside. In another bowl, whisk pumpkin, yolk, the spices, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Set aside. Add the melted chocolate to the flour mixture and mix until the batter is smooth. Spread the chocolate butter evenly into a baking pan with parchment paper. Drop spoonfuls of pumpkin butter over the chocolate. Use a knife to stir the butters together. Bake the brownies in a preheated conventional oven.
170 degrees for about 30 minutes. Allow the brownies to cool completely before cutting them into bars.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe and Merry Christmas!